Jessie.
Elsa,
What?
look at my ring. My boyfriend bought it from me.
Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. My boyfriend bought a bag to me.
Isn't it? He took me to a sweet dinner at a fancy restaurant last week.
Oh, last week, Mark Tuan took me to meet his parents. His mother is very kind.
Look at this. My boyfriend is more handsome man.
No, I think my boyfriend is more than.
Isn't he is more handsome than Mark Tuan?
Mark Tuan is more handsome than Isn't he?
Isn't he?
Mark.
Isn't he?
Mark.
Isn't he?
Mark.
Mark isn't it? Mark isn't it? Mark isn't it? Mark.
I'm really bored of this. I have to find a way to manage it. I wish they had seen real life.
Knock. God, I have something for you to help. My friend like to think that idol are their boyfriend, although they haven't even met him. Do you know anything that is helping me?
Yes, I do. It the alarm clock to wake up from meditation. Set a time and wait for the notification. It will help make your wake your friend from the fictitious imagination.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm going to manage them.
Wake up! Stop imagining. He is your boyfriend.
We don't have a boyfriend.
I wish I have a boyfriend. God, help me, please.